Hello everyone, this is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It is late in the evening and I'm just getting home. Yeah, I've been out and about most of the day. Very safe. Yeah, been very safe. Really. But anyway, I've been very safe, and I went to a couple stores and I purchased some, well, one of the most important, exciting purchases I made was I purchased a fruit tree. Yeah, one I have been wanting. I got her. She's right there. Yeah. But listen, guys, I'm going to share everything I did today with you all. I understand we're going to have some bad weather. My son says look like it'll be here by Wednesday. And, you know, it's one of those buckle down type of weather systems. So I have food and water and, you know, all those things you need to get through if you lose power, you know, which, yeah, I'll lose power. Yeah, that's okay. But, yeah, but other than that, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything. When I'm out shopping, I just don't stop to eat. Now, if my grandson was with me, I would, because, you know, the kid just got to eat so much, you know. But, yeah, so I'm going to share all of my, what I purchased here today. Yeah. But anyway, guys, but first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. Happy Monday morning, y'all. Hello, hello. So, I'm about to leave the house. I'm going to go and make a couple stops. But one of the stops I'm going to make, well, I'm going to the post office because today is Monday. Got to get it out. And so after the post office, I'm going to the Dollar Tree. I got to hit the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go to this new nursery. That's where I'm going. To this new nursery I found. Matter of fact, I purchased my LSU purple tree from them. Yeah, let's go there. I want to go there. We gonna go there first because it's on the way. It's on the way. Hey guys, I'm down here by, hope you can see that, Double M Feed, Garden and Pet Supplies. So this is where I purchased my LSU purple fig tree from. And look, they got that gold. I gotta get that gold, y'all. I gotta get that gold. And this is a Celeste. This is Wellington Naval. Oh, this looks like a, oh, it's not, I don't want to look for it. So what is this here? This is another Celeste. This is a brown turkey. Celeste. Got some more over here. I am excited. A truffle blueberry. An LSU purple. Hey now. And what's this? they have a Maya lemon. What's the price on this? I guess get the price in the store. Yeah. Oh, I see a price over there, 34. Satsuma. Alright, let's go check out my gold tree. Let's see how much it is. Well, let's go pay for it. This is a Louisiana Sweet and a Wellington Naval. A Fuyu persimmon. That's cool. This, oh, okay. That's, oh yeah. That, I don't want that. This is a Fuyu right here. Hey, how are you? You got my gold, my LSU gold over there. I want it.
Let me put this on.
Alright guys, so now I'm in the store and here are some seeds. Oh wow. So these are the seeds here. Pink eye, purple peas. Ooh. What's this? Collard green. Collards. Wow. It's a big pack. Habaneros. She's got a lot of good stuff. Let's go see how much this fig tree is. So this is the Double M feed and garden supply. It's so cool. Soil sulfur. Wow. African violet mix. That's cool. Yep. Yeah. These are just so many things I've found in here. But I think maybe I want a pack of seeds because everything else I don't want nothing. Oh wow, that's a good price. That's a lot of seeds. Wow. So these collars, this is a lot of collars in here. And it is $1.99. That's a lot. So if I needed them, they would definitely bomb. This is some Golden Jubilee tomatoes. What is this here? Oh, Cherokee purples. Oh, here's some. Oh, I like this. Maybe I would grow some of these next season. Let's see. What is, oh, it's a Thai hot pepper. Oh, wow. Nope. Yeah. Shishito, agree that one. That's hot. Pretty darn hot. What? Honey and cream? Now, I grew peaches and cream, but I've never seen honey and cream.
Oh, cream, like cream. I guess that's what they make cream corn out of.
So they have marjoram, sage chive, lemon balm, dill. It's cool stuff, but You gotta make more. You gotta make an order for seeds.
Well, that's actually that's like the third set. They all, every time he gets them, they sell.
Of course, I mean, yeah.
Everybody's planting.
Yeah, well. All right, guys, here I am leaving the post office, my buddy. I'm leaving the post office. Yes. Oh, what a busy day, y'all. But as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Gorgeous. So I bought a book of stamps. I need it. I tell you. This is so cool. So I can reach up here and cut this flower down. So I tried to do that, but look, this is what stopped me. I wish you all can see him. He's so big in there. He is so big. There he is right there. Yeah, there he is. He's huge in there. Just as I grabbed it and began to cut, I saw him. He didn't, I didn't disturb him, but he disturbed me. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm gonna take this flower down. Yeah. So I took it down, y'all. The bees, they're going crazy. They're like, bring it back. Bring it back. But, yeah. I took it down. So here's the tip. I'm going to set it down here. Hopefully they find it. Because she is just dripping. Yeah, she's dripping. But, they're going to find it. And there it is. Good morning. This is Wednesday morning. Ooh, look at that. It's a brown turkey. I'm gonna let it stay a little longer. It's overcast out here and a little windy. I go to plantains. Yeah, I took the flower off. Yeah. It's a little overcast. And we're supposed to get this bad weather today. Yeah. Someone was asking me about my fish peppers, so here's one. And if you look right there, that's a pepper. There's more peppers on this little plant. Yeah, that's one of the peppers. Fish peppers, that is. Yeah. I had two, tree collars in this container with these cuttings. I'm going to show you what I did with them. Yeah. So I put them over here. So I planted one here and one here. Yep. And I transplanted some of those. These are leek starts. And I put 3 here, 2, 2, 2. And I put some over here. Those are leeks. Mm-hmm. Yep. Look at that garlic this morning. Look at that garlic. Huh? She's rising. Oh, yeah. And this is another fish pepper here. Yeah, it's it here. And there's more flowers. And she had a couple of peppers on them, but with the hurricanes that we had going through, it knocked them off. But yeah, it knocked them off. So that's what she's doing this morning. my other little pepper, and look at that. Yep, I'll take that one today. More. Yeah. So when my niece came here, she said, "Oh, T. Linda, I need some aloe for my face, So I gave her 2 pieces of that aloe. And I gave her aloe plant. Put it in a pot, showed her how to take care of it. So now I told her she'll have aloe anytime she wants to. So, yeah. All right. All right, guys, I just made it back home. So awesome to be back home. Yeah, but everyone was doing great out there. I tell you, everywhere I went, everyone had their mask on, which was very cool. I'm going to transplant some these leeks in some of these beds. Not this one, not yet, because I got to see where they are. Yeah, but I'm going to put them in another bed. But I want to share with you all what I purchased when I was out. Yeah, check it out. So here I purchased some seeds, and these are the seeds I purchased here. And of course, this is for the spring, but hey, I got these cool tomatoes. And I found this corn. Never seen this this variety of corn. Honey and cream. Corn, sweet honey, and cream. I've never had a honey and cream before. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna drop this honey and cream corn. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it tastes like. Yes, honey and cream, y'all. And this is the purchase I bought. Look at there, y'all. LSU gold. I got that gold. Yes, I got a LSU gold and an LSU purple. And yes, this is the same place I purchased the purple one from. I'm so excited. So excited. Now, there is one more. Now, there's a lot of LSU fig trees, okay? But there's another one that I do want, and I think it's called a tiger. Yeah, but yeah, I'm cool right now. I'm cool right now. So, I have the LSU gold and I have the LSU purple. Ooh, and I'm good. I'm so good. So good right now. Oh yeah, I'm over the moon, y'all. I'm over the moon. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you all. And now I need to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. All right.